What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is probably the perfect day for riding. I mean, I can't even begin to explain how fucking perfect the conditions are out here. But anyway, we're starting at a new place today. I used to fish this area from the time I was old enough to ride my bike away from my house. So about this big, until I moved to California. But dude, I've caught some massive snook back here. There's literally a dolphin right there. I don't know if you saw him or not. I'll try to zoom in on that, but I fished every goddamn canal here. But dude, the snook, the snap, dude, the things I've caught out of this specific cut right here, it's crazy. But anyway, enough reminiscing. The Lowrider S new edition is the Crash Bar by OG Moto, and we're going to be doing the rear ones soon. But as you can see, the bike, if you look back to the day I first bought this bike, whether it's on Instagram or looking at some of my older videos, dude, this thing has come together tenfold. I mean, my god, I actually already made a 1-year progression video, so check that out if you're interested to see what I did. If you guys are curious on some of the cost breakdowns, let me know, dude. Just let me know. Either DM me on Instagram or just anything, really. You can hit me up anywhere. I'll let you know how much it costs and how much effort it was to put on, because everything, with the exception of the tune, I've done myself. So let's get back to riding, man. God, it sounds so good. Hell yeah. I got no destination in mind today, boys. I mean, I walked outside, I went and got my car washed, and I came right back, bro. I was gonna go drive around, take some photos of the car, but dude, I couldn't waste a perfect day like this, dude. I'm just riding to ride, bringing y'all along with me, because, bro, you know, you only get so many days where the conditions are perfect. Slight breeze, the sun is keeping you warm, but the air is chilly. I mean, dude, it's fucking perfect. I can't even begin to explain. Like, a lot of people have the same idea, because I've passed more motorcycles just today than I do typically through the entire week. So, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go down to a beach or something, dude. I mean, shit, no one wants to see me drive down these boring ass roadways. We can go see what's popping down at some of our, you know, more notorious beaches, and, you know, see what we can do down there. So we're gonna cut it here, and I'll see you when we get over there. All right, guys, first stop is this private beach. I know it never has too many people, so sometimes it's nicer to come down here and just check it out. But it might be a good photo opportunity for the bike too right now. Little busy, but all of this great fucking fishing, dude. Sometimes you even see fish in like these little parts right here. I come down here and fish all the time, dude. Yep. Typically I wait though. Not with so many people here. When I hit spots like these, I come during the week. It's a quick little drive around. It's not the beach I actually wanted to go to, but I could see the bridge to get onto the actual beach. I just wanted to make sure the traffic didn't look absolutely ridiculous, which it looked fine. But figured I'd show y'all one of my little spots that I go to every once in a while. Oh yeah, we're going off-roading here, boys. That ain't gonna happen. I ain't gonna sit here and wait. I can just do that. This would be a sick fucking photo spot. I'm going here. I'm gonna give it's definitely all blocked off, but oh well, we'll make it work. All right, if you're not gonna go, I will. All right, let's skip this part. Sorry, people, it ain't gonna happen today. I'm not sitting in this right here. Sorry. Should we go left or right? I mean, if I go right, I can then go left. But if I go left, there's no way for me to go back right. And who knows what there is to see. Fuck it, let's go right. Look at this guy with a backpack. 2 backpacks. Straight savage, bro. One day that'll be me. Now let me say one thing though. Oh my god, hold on. There you go. So yesterday I went to bike night, and I'm creeping through the crowd of people because you know, that's what I fucking do. But dude, being that I got shorties now, I had to feather this clutch with only 2 fingers. It's hard to get 3 on there without looking like a goofy, but bro, my forearms, when I'm fucking telling you, were on fire. Huh. Dude. But shorties, you know, I'm talking shit. I don't want to discourage anybody from buying shorties. I think they make the bike look better. It's actually more comfortable. It was just a really weird circumstance where I was going through a crowd of people for about a half a mile at like half a mile an hour. You know what I mean? I'm just... Here's Margaritaville, brand new resort with all the beaches. We're sorry, with all the bars and shit that everybody was talking about. That's cool. The infamous Lani Kai, bro. Oh man, do I have stories about the Lani fucking Kai. Maybe that'll be for another time, dude. Let's just say our spring breaks out here used to be fucking intense. And another fun fact, the Wild 'N Out crew actually came to the Lani Kai one year. I mean, it's always been a fucking... That's like the main point for college age, you know, parties during spring break. Lani Kai, that's where they'll be. Be ready for that vlog, by the way. When it's time, be ready for that vlog. We going to the beach. We bringing the cameras. We're doing it all, dude. It's gonna be legit. Like the good old times. But I actually haven't been very far down here in 5, 6, 7 years. So we'll go ahead and see what has changed, what's still the same, and not as busy as I thought it was gonna be. Oh, there it is, the beach. Anyway, we're taking a 5-second break. Alright fam, that's it for today. I forgot another battery, so GoPro's about to die. Thank you for checking out this video. Give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.